Oh, I'm feeling low again. They said I owe to them.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Lankri, your trusted real estate broker. Welcome to my new listing in this outstanding North Richland Hills community. You're going to be amazed. This 2-story home going to shock you. Are you ready to be amazed? Come join me.
Giving every piece of my soul, so you don't know how to keep me low. Giving every piece of my soul, so you don't know how to keep me low. Oh, I'm feeling low again. They said I owe to them. They don't wanna let it go. Oh, I'm feeling low again. They said I owe to them. They don't wanna let it go. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how to keep me low. Giving every piece of my soul. You say you don't know how